When you received the goods, first, please don't unpack the handlebar to prevent the air getting into the brake, the toolkit and spare parts including battery, headlight, display, charger, pedal, front and rear fender, front and rear mudguard supports, front wheel, front axle. Then, removing the screws on the rear shock absorber and lift the bike. Put on the rear shock absorber. Remove the handlebar press. Removing the handlebar protection packing foam. Attaching the handlebar. You can adjust the handlebar to a comfortable position. Tighten the screws. Now you can remove the handlebar packing. Remove the bushings and spacers from the front axle. Then installing the front wheel, insert the brake disc into the brake first, through the front axle. Install short bushings on the brake disc side. Install the long bushing on the other side. Install the tabs and the spacer. Install the nut. The other side, same work. While tighten the screws. Install the display. Install the nut of the display. And put on the display. Tighten the screws. Install the power on button. Align the arrow with the arrow symbol and then dock it securely. Remove the bobbins. Wrap the meter wires together. Remove the screws holding the headlight. Align the arrow with the arrow symbol and then dock it securely. Align the headlight wires. Attach the headlight. Tighten the screws. Remove the screws holding the front mudguard. Attach the front mudguard. Remove one of the screws on the mudguard. Loosen the other one. Attach the shorter bracket. Hook up the screws. Please don't tighten it yet. Attach the brackets on each side. Adjust the position. Tighten the screws again. Remove the screws holding the rear mudguard. Attach the rear mudguard. Lift the mudguard as far as you can. Tighten the screws. Remove the screws on the mudguard. Loosen the other one. Attach the longer bracket. Fix the brackets on both sides. Adjust the position. And tighten the screws. Adjust the position and tighten the screws. Attach the footrest with L on the left side. Tighten the screw counterclockwise. footrest wheels are mounted on the right, tighten clockwise. Following, to install the battery. Both sides snap into the slide at the same time. Push it forward. You can hear a ticking sound when it snaps in. Lock the battery. Battery starter button is on the right. Before you take the battery out, remember to turn off the power. Use the key to unlock it first. Taking it out backward and it's done. Then, press and hold the on button to start it up. Screw in the throttle properly. Finally, to turn the motor. And test the headlight. The taillight. Good job, you complete the installation.